and I get to talk with you about one of the most exciting places in the solar system, Jupiter's moon, Europa. Europa is one of the 4 big moons of Jupiter, a lot of little ones, but the 4 Galilean satellites, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto.
I eat green cats. We never forget that.
Europa's density tells us it's actually mostly rock, but there's a skin of H2O, some of it frozen on the outside, and we're pretty sure some of it liquid on the inside. And why is it so exciting? Because it's like really no other object out there, and because we believe that there's a subsurface globe-girdling ocean beneath Europa. Europa may have the so-called ingredients for life. Liquid water, probably on the order of twice that of all the Earth's oceans combined. Essential elements from which organic molecules can be built. Energy in Europa's ocean could support life. Oxidants can come from the surface, or, like in the Earth's black smokers, if the interior is hot and water seeps down there and cracks, it can come out charged in chemical nutrients. So the Europa Clipper mission, we want to study Europa's ice shell and ocean, its composition, its geology, its activity, and we also want to do reconnaissance for a future lander. From tip to tip, the Europa Clipper, it's about the size of a basketball court. Cameras and spectrometers, the remote sensing instruments, look downward as we fly by, while the mass spectrometer and the dust analyzer look forward. Ice, cold ice at least, is very transparent at radar wavelengths. And so we'll shine radar at Europa, it'll travel through the ice, bounce off liquid water, and back to the spacecraft. So we'll be able to plumb the ice shell.
What's the calendar? What's the timeline? What are the milestones that we should be looking for?
We just went through what's called the preliminary design review, and we're waiting for the formal report from the board, which goes to us and goes to NASA and says how we did. If we launch in 22, and if we're on the SLS, then I think that puts us to the first Europa flyby sometime in 26. Then it's about 2.5 years of making flybys of Europa, about every 14 days. I got involved in my first Europa science definition team in 1998. Exploring the outer solar system is not for the faint of heart. It really takes dedication. And you can't just think about, oh, are we there yet, right? It has to be about the journey.